So this is how you prep your nail for your PolyGel, entity PolyGel. Okay, you have to prep the nail by pushing all the dead skin on the surface of your nail plate. Okay, and then we will buff lightly. Okay, we will buff it lightly. Where's our buffer? No, I don't need the 220. I need the 100 buffer. Okay, the same buff where are the dead skin or the dry cuticles. Okay, or what you call it, non-living tissue, right? Non-living tissue. So now we need to cleanse this nail with your entity natural nail prep. Okay, use your lint-free cotton. Okay, so once you cleanse with a cleanser, you should scrub it thoroughly, right? New band is your bander. Okay, do not flood the cuticle area. Okay, then now we will use our nail form. We will do a nail form. Okay, we'll put the nail form first before I will apply my base coat. So now this is our nail form. Okay, put this flap underneath just for a little stronger support. Then you have to close together these two flaps at the bottom, and now we are going to push this under the nail plate, the free edge I mean. Okay, and under the free edge, and that's it. There should be no gap in between the natural nail and the nail form. Okay, so secure it there on this fingertip. Okay, and now we can start to apply our base coat. Now I need the dry brush. We will cure it for 5 seconds. Okay, that is the base coat. We will cure it for 5 seconds. And then, since there is a sticky layer, okay, we can remove it with our dry brush. Any kind of old brush or anything that can do the job, you can use it. But I'm using oily dry brush. Okay, now where is our liquid shaper and our brush? It's time for us now to build one whole nail. I'm gonna show you how to build. Yeah, we have it here. So we're going to build a reverse smile line. Okay, reverse French. So get a little amount of it. okay, of your product and apply it on top of the nail. Now we are going to make sure that this smile line is really smiling at us, okay? Or smiling at anyone who will look at it. Okay, so as you can see, I am filing very lightly because we already formed our smile line earlier, right? So now we have the wall here. See this wall? This is where we will connect our French, okay? So now we'll put there. Okay, we will get our liquid and dab it real quick and work with our smile line. This is our white tip, okay? Make sure that you tuck it in there, pull it up there, and flatten it down. Okay, now this is the other half. We will work on the other half. Okay, press it down, push it up. If you can, you pinch it real quick. If you can, this is the time for you to pinch. If you have a pinching tool, it's better. Okay, and then just remove it. Now, since this is white, it's really pigmented, it is normal sometimes that if you apply the white so thick, you have this uncured product. So always make sure to look upside down. Okay, see, it's not cured there because we applied the product too thick. Okay, so you can go in there and just play with it real quick, massage it lightly. Okay, lightly. All right, now you cure it another 60 seconds. Our time for filing. Establish your free edge and then file the side wall, or the lateral sides, or your nail wall, whatever you want to call it, and then turn this finger on the side, hold your file like a cigarette, okay, you know, like a cigarette, right? Okay, and file upwards. Okay, file upwards. Okay, file upwards, removing this sharp edges here. Now she wanted coffin, so, or ballerina, so we are going to pay attention to that nail shape now. Okay, so file, see, always watch the free edge, this sharp edges here. Now she wanted coffin, so, or ballerina, so we are going to pay attention to that nail shape now. Okay, so file, see, always watch the free edge, watch where you are filing. Okay, clean the underneath of the nail, and here again we will File on the sides, going up. File on the sides, going up. Right? So, this is what we're gonna do. Turn this finger on this side so that you can see where you're working on. Hold the skin in this side tightly. Okay? Just make it straight and go upwards. Up, 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 up. Hold your file this way. This is the support. This is the support. This is your pressure. Okay? So, now, work on the cuticle line. Cuticle line. Cuticle line. Cuticle line. Cuticle line. Okay? Imuhang inside boat, bangka. Okay? Diba? Diba kung magsagwan ka sa bangka, paana niya, paana. Diba? Right? Oh, ngisi lagi ka. Kahibaw ka, no? So, tanawa ni siya, oh. Diba? Nice na iyahang edge. Pero baga gyapon siya diha. Karon, ang atong tanawon is mag-file ta karon beveling. We bevel it down, no? 45-degree angle ang imong file. Okay. And bevel it down. O, di ba gwapa kayo ang smile line? Okay? Ang purpose aning pag-bevel nimo is para kung makahulog siya og 100 feels, mapulot niya. Okay? Tanawa. Di ba? Mapulot niya. Kay ang uban manggod nga kuko perting bagaa og tumoy murag nga bills kabayo. So after filing, we will cleanse our nails once again with our natural nail prep. Okay? Cleanse underneath and on top of it. So, now we are ready to apply for our top coat. Okay? When you apply your top coat, don't be stingy. Huwag kuripot. Pero, dili pod nimo bahaon ang iyang cuticle line. Okay? So, this top coat is no cleanse. So, buot pasabot, di ni siya nagapilit-pilit. Okay? After curing for 60 seconds, diretso na, lagyan natin ng cuticle oil. Okay, cure for 60 seconds, please. Then we will apply our entity cuticle oil. Okay? So, do not touch the skin. Just apply a little bit. And this actually can massage all nails. Okay? So, okay? See? Pagkagwapa. Right? That is your reverse smile line. Reverse French. Thank you!